Hello, today we have Retrofit the CLA 2017 models LED tail lights and headlights. Let's show you one by one. Yeah. Please brake. Yeah, this is brake lights for both sides. Reverse. Yeah, this is reverse lights. Release P. Release brake. Signal lights. Right. Okay, left. Right side. Yes. Okay. Good. And here, this logo is coming down. Let's check out the front headlights. And this is his old one pair of old tail lights and one pair of old xenon lights. Okay. Yeah, this is a Mercedes intelligent light system, but it's xenon lights. Okay. Now it's becoming the LED, full LED headlights. Okay. This is the left side. Signal left. Yeah, beautiful. Low beam. Low beam. This is a high beam, sorry. Just now it's low beam, yeah. Okay, the other side. Okay, signal off. Yeah. Turn to auto. Oh, this is auto already. Turn off the headlights. Yes, this is day running lights, I believe. Yep. Okay. It's no more. There's no more bulbs, no more xenon HID bulbs inside anymore. So full LED. Everything is LED. Okay. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Wait, let's check out any error message inside the instrument cluster. Okay. No, zero message. You see, clear. And actually, we also installed the CarPlay inside this unit. Okay, telephone. You can see CarPlay, right? Now we didn't connect, so the CarPlay is not working. It's not connected. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. We're from Singapore, from EleBest.